What is the one word for behave in a certain manner? The correct answer is comport. What is the one word for wealth as evidenced by sumptuous living? The correct answer is opulence. What is the one word for harmful to living things? The correct answer is deleterious. What is the one word for a feeling of mild sickness or depression? The correct answer is malaise. What is the one word for of momentous or ominous significance? The correct answer is portentous. What is the one word for postpone the punishment of a convicted criminal? The correct answer is reprieve. What is the one word for someone chosen to judge and decide a disputed issue? The correct answer is arbiter. What is the one word for be larger in number, quantity, power, status, or importance? The correct answer is prevail. What is the one word for occupied with or fond of the pleasures of good company? The correct answer is convivial. What is the one word for corresponding in size or degree or extent? The correct answer is commensurate. What is the one word for requiring secret or mysterious knowledge? The correct answer is arcane. What is the one word for act, feel, or give mutually or in return? The correct answer is reciprocate. What is the one word for someone who attacks in search of loot? The correct answer is marauder. What is the one word for attract? The correct answer is enamor. What is the one word for break apart or in two, using violence? The correct answer is sunder. What is the one word for marked by extreme calm and composure? The correct answer is imperturbable. What is the one word for praise, glorify, or honor? The correct answer is exalt. What is the one word for exceeding in heaviness, having greater weight? The correct answer is preponderance. What is the one word for the condition of being unsuitable or offensive? The correct answer is impropriety. What is the one word for draw from specific cases for more general cases? The correct answer is extrapolate.